In this video, I'm going to go over Bitcoin and just do a quick update on it of what I think will happen in the market. So what I'm seeing is these candles are really strong candles. And, a lot of people are going to be looking for some kind of retracement. And what I would imagine is that it's going to do the same thing as it did here, right? Where it goes up and then FOMO is going to start to enter the market. And meanwhile, just realize we're on the weekly, right? So we printed out 4 weekly candles. If one says that this is 4 weekly candles as well, then yeah, maybe we do come down. But what I think the market usually likes to do is it likes to punish people really hard. And you might even say that these are the 4 starting candles of what's happening. But if we just take this fractal, right? And we try to fit it in. We really pull it up, right? Lower this chart. But really, my point is that what I think is going to happen is that people are right now just like, oh my God, Bitcoin's going up. And they're going to start FOMOing in. And so maybe we'll see some really crazy FOMO happen. And after that FOMO, we're going to actually see a retracement. And then on that retracement, people are going to be scared to buy back in. And then it's going to pump even harder. And if we just take a quick look at this, I wouldn't be surprised if we see some crazy FOMO all the way up to like 72K, and then, or actually this 76K, and then it finally retraces to 64K, and people start to be like, oh my God, we're in a bear market now, we've already gone through it, and then it goes up. And then an even stronger process happens where we start to see this crazy strong move, and people are just waiting for some kind of retracement, and it just doesn't happen, and it's like, yeah, maybe even goes to 200K. I don't know. This is probably a bad fractal, but my simple point of this is, from what I'm seeing with Bitcoin, is that there is no weakness. I'm not seeing any sign of weakness in this. Even this was very technical in the sense that 39.6K ish was a very strong level with so many levels of confluence. And people are starting to worry that we're going to 20K, and I started hearing things of like, oh, we're going to 20K, and then boom, we pump and we make this, it's even stronger than this area, right? Like, it's so much stronger. And we look at this monthly candle is gigantic. And if we take this into consideration, one green monthly candle, it's like one green monthly candle. What if we start just massive pumping, all the FOMO starts coming in, and then bam, right? I still think this is early, and I still think if I was to do this, I'd just be dollar cost averaging in, like, into Bitcoin